during coronavirus isolation is to make some homemade pretzels. Do you want to introduce yourself, girls?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here's Haley and Abby and Sabra.
Yeah, I'm Nick.
Yeah. All right. And we are going to make pretzels today. I'm going to post the recipe for the dough below here, but we have some pretzel dough that's been resting for a while. And each of the girls are going to get like a baseball size piece of dough. You're taking your own?
Yeah.
You need a little more than that. There you go. All right. Take a big chunk. Take a big chunk.
I know how to make it.
Now we want to roll this dough into the shape of a snake.
Yeah.
Like the longest, skinniest snake you can imagine, all right? So let's do it. Can you all do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. How do we roll into a snake?
I can't do it slipping like this.
All right, so the best thing to do is take your fingers close together in the middle and then spread them out and roll them out. Close together in the middle,
I can't do it.
spread them out and roll them out.
You need
Close
to make
together
it into a ball first.
and then roll them out. You all right?
Make it. Do it.
All right, do we need some help?
I need a help.
All right, so what we want to do is close together and then roll them out. Close together in the middle, roll, and then roll them out. You can't roll it either? All right, so we thought this would be a fun activity for kids. All right. Right?
Yeah,
All right.
the last time
So let's say you get a long snake like this.
Oh.
And it breaks apart. We can easily fix it, okay? All right, what we do in Pretzel World is we roll it together. And we make one like that and we cross them over. So we make these really cool shapes.
Can I make a heart pretzel?
You can make whatever shape pretzel you want. This is the standard shape pretzel, but you can make a pretzel that looks like a house if you want. Doesn't matter.
I'm going to make a roll one.
Okay. The only important part is that it has to be a thin-ish. It can't be that thick as you've got over there.
I can't. Is mine skinny enough?
And once we're done with the dough, we've got to place it in a mixture of soda, 2 tablespoons of soda, and 2 cups of water. Just about. And we dip it in, the whole thing. All right, that makes that really lovely pretzel crust on the outside. All right, my pretzel's falling apart. I'm going to stick it back together. And I'm going to let this pretzel set for about a half an hour before I throw it in the oven. They're how they are in Germany.
Mommy, look, I'm making a story. I'm making a story.
You're making a story? What does that mean?
She made a story pretzel.
Is it a story pretzel? What's a story?
Moana.
Moana story. Oh, you made a Moana pretzel?
Moana.
Oh, that's a little baby pretzel, Haley. I love it.
Look, a tiny thing.
Tiny pretzel?
Yeah.
You making pretzel sticks?
Look.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay. You want to dip it in the water?
Oh, yeah.
Dip it in. Perfect. Put it on the board.
Mine didn't break because mine is tiny. Good. This is actually fun. And it's easy to make pretzels.
It is.
When I was little, I was like, this pretzel is hard.
They're not hard, are they?
Yeah.
They're fun. It's like Play-Doh, but you actually can eat it.
Yeah.
Not like when you made Play-Doh for Abby.
Can I eat it?
Not now when it's cooked.
Yeah, when it's cooked. This one is a tiny bit tiny, so it won't break. I have to squish it together.
Squish it together so it sticks, and then you're going to dip it in the water.
So that it doesn't break.
So it doesn't break. Dip it in the water, and then put it on the board. Okay.
Ow!
Ready?
That hurt.
So our pretzels have been rising for 30 minutes. Did they grow, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got bigger.
But these are mine.
Those are yours.
They're mine.
Yeah, absolutely. Which is yours?
This one is yours.
I think this one's yours, Sabra. This
And
one
this
over here.
one is yours.
Anyway, we're going to go ahead and pop them in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes and get them to bake off. See you soon. All right, so our pretzels are out of the oven. They
Okay.
smell so good, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, are you excited? So the last step is to paint them with butter. Paint them with butter. And when you're done painting them, so Haley will do one, and then we'll let the other girls do one. And after you're done painting them, I'm going to sprinkle them with salt, just like a big pretzel. What do you think? Okay, do that one.
Oh, this one is mine.
You don't even know.
I know.
All right, that one. Okay, but a lot more butter, enough so the salt will stick. Soak it up, sprinkle it, and coat that beautiful big fat pretzel with salt. All right, now I'm sorry, with butter, and then here we go. All right, Saber's turn. Which pretzel are you gonna paint?
One of mine.
All right, which one?
This one.
Perfect. Ooh, that looks good. Can I come in?
That's good.
All right, good.
Abby's turn.
Abby's turn. Which one are you gonna paint, Abby?
One of yours? You want to
Abby,
paint
how about
your
the big one?
lines?
Paint the big one.
That's Mommy. Do you want to paint your lines? I want to paint all of them.
You want to paint all of them. How about this big one first, okay?
Okay.
Ooh, that looks so good. Chip and butter. Are you guys ready to eat them?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. They're super good.
I
All
want-
right.
I want to do my baby ones now.
Perfect. Do the baby ones.
I want to do a
All
baby
right.
one next.
And these are pretzels with kids during coronavirus week. Or year. God knows.